Domino's Pizza, DPZ. They delivered strong Q1 earnings. They surprised everybody, higher EPS and revenue sales. So the company experienced growth in same-store sales, both domestically and internationally. There's really nothing not to like in this report, is there?
No, everything, absolutely everything. How about the fact they raised the dividend, right? On top of that, well, I think we'll buy back $1 worth of shares as well. So you look at the buybacks, you look at the dividend yield, you look also that they're having same-store sales growth, which is something pretty impressive for them. It's made new 52-week highs today. It is not that far away from all-time highs. I would say right now, Domino's is really positioned well in the economy that we're in right now, playing to the customer in a great way right now, giving them that benefit of a little less expensive than it once was. This is a stock that has really absolutely exploded now to the upside.